So today we're going to start off by looking at the Solvenshare from 16.1, which is all about lines. The Solvenshare says,
the number line is an example of a line. A line goes on forever in a straight path in two directions. Draw the following pairs of lines. Two lines that will never cross, two lines that cross at one point, two lines that cross at 2 points. If you cannot draw the lines, tell why.
So the first thing I'm going to do is reread the question in my head and mark up or rewrite the most important parts of the question. So I know that one thing that the question is saying is that a line goes on forever. And this idea of forever means it never, ever, ever stops. And it goes in a straight path in two directions. So what makes this line go on forever versus a line that I draw like, oops, sorry, that's not straight at all, but it's supposed to be a line that goes like this. Well, notice that the line has arrows at the end of it. And these arrows represent that the line will continue on and on and on and on. So that's a key difference between a line and something like this, which is called a line segment. It does not go on and on because there are two dots at the end of the line or just because there are no arrows. And just because it's relevant, there's also something called a ray that has a dot on one side and an arrow on another. An array is a line segment, but on one end it has an arrow, which means that only one end goes on forever. So this is a ray. Oops. Oh my goodness, and that's how you spell ray. So this is a line segment, and a ray. So the directions are asking me to draw two lines that will never ever cross. Okay, so I'm going to change my color. So here's one line. And remember, I need my arrows to make sure to show that it is a line. And there's one line, and here's another line. Now I need to make sure it will never ever cross. Now how do I know that these lines will never ever cross? Well, because I have arrows on both sides. And the arrows go in up and down direction, and the directions are nowhere near each other. These lines will never cross. These are called parallel lines. Go ahead and say parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that will never, ever, ever cross. If you were to extend the line out, you would see that they would never cross. Now I'll show you an example of lines that do cross, which is the next question, which says draw two lines that will cross at one point. Well, if I draw a line like this, and remember I need my arrows, and a line like this, right now they're not crossing, right? But if I were to extend the line like I did with this, notice what happens. Eventually they do cross. So lines that will cross are called intersecting lines. Kind of like an intersection of a street. Try it, intersecting lines. So we have parallel lines that never, ever, ever cross. If you were to extend the lines, they won't cross. And we have intersecting lines that intersect at a certain point. The last prompt is asking me to draw two lines that cross at 2 points. Is that possible? Well, I drew it this way before. Will these two lines, if I extend them, ever cross? No, they will not. So two lines that intersect at two different points is not possible. I want to just show you, since it is on topic, also lines. These are called perpendicular lines. They're lines that also intersect and they cross, but they're actually called perpendicular lines because they're special. When they cross to form a 90-degree angle. And a 90-degree angle is also known as a right angle. And you learned about this in the last unit because right angles There are 4 of them in a square or a rectangle. They have them in right triangles, but a right angle is formed by a perpendicular lines. So these are perpendicular, they cross and form right angles. These are parallel, they never ever ever cross. And these are intersecting. They cross, but they don't form 90 degrees.